How to log into Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Yahoo Mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, search for yahoo.com. You can head over to mail.yahoo.com as well to directly head over to the mail site of Yahoo. So let's tap on mail after we are on Yahoo first. Then you should be on this page right here, that is login.yahoo.com. So here you'll find an option to log in into an account. I'll just tap on use another account and there we go. So what you'll now need to do is simply type in your username or email or phone number, whichever you use for your Yahoo Mail. You can also sign in with Google. I'll just tap on next after typing in my email. Now simply type in your password that you have set using your Yahoo account. Then hit enter, and after you've written the correct password, you'll get logged in into your account. Let me do that again here. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.